Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's special episode, we are going to discuss about the bubbles appearing in the car tire. So as you can clearly see, we have this 4-year-old car tire from Goodyear, and there is a big bulge available. So there are certain factors which are affecting for this bulge. The first and foremost is the quick bump or the sharp bump on the higher speeds, because this tire consists of the steel belts, and if we are running very fast on some pace and there is a quick bump, so definitely it's going to restructure the steel belt inside the tire, and there can be a small pocket generated after that bump is tackled. The air could be entering into that pocket as well, creating this sort of bulge. So in this case, this side of the steel belt has been ruptured. So you can see the tire is tilting toward this side, irrespective of the tire pressure, because the area steel belts cover right now is broken up and not able to keep the rubber on its original shape. So this pattern seems normal to me, but this pattern has uneven wears, and especially on this side you can see there are no threads remaining, but on this area we have lots of groove available. This uneven wear can affect the whole car performance, including suspensions, comfort, as well the braking. So it is highly recommended to replace these tires, because there is no such invented treatment for such faulty tires. Now it's time to discuss how to check whether your car tire is having a bubble or not. So simple process is there. You will find your car tire like this. Just park your car well and just measure those grooves. So these grooves are very important, and you can feel the difference. So make sure you are having a equal tread available all over the place. So at this side you will definitely get some smoother feel, and you will get to know that the car tire has been damaged. If your car also has such kind of bumpy tire, you should replace it as soon as possible, just because it will hamper the suspensions of your car, and that might cost you much more than the price of tire. So it is highly recommended to change the tire as soon as possible. So that's it for today's episode. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. And thanks for watching. This is Vishwa signing off from SMARTDrive.